Hi, in the last video we talked about validity. Here we have all values. Here should be whole number, and here could be decimal. Okay, today we want to talk about this validation and how to use them. Let's see. For example, here we want just days from this year. So what we can do, we go to data, validity, criteria, and here we choose date to be valid range in our case from first day of this year until the last day of this year. Let's try to test this. So let's take a day from the last year. Let's change the format to the cell to be the date. Okay, so this date is not okay, so we get the invalid error message. Let's try a good date now. 6 June 2020 and 21. It's okay. So it's very easy. We can change to be greater, for example, greater than this date with no limit and so on. Or an invalid range we don't want here. Let's see now the time, how we limit the time. Let's imagine that at work people have to come from 8 to 16, but they could come earlier and could stay longer, but not for example, we want to avoid some errors like coming in the 2 in the morning. So the valid range is between 6 in the morning until 18. So we don't want 2 o'clock in the morning to be a valid time. Let's see, 2 in the morning, invalid value. Okay, so people could come just, for example, from this hour, and can be possible to have something like that because we don't work in extra this interval here, this range. So very useful. Let's see cell range. Let's insert here down there a list of persons: Tom, Jane, Ellie, I don't know, Thomas, and let's rename them here persons. Very easy now. We go to data, validity, cell range, and we write here persons. Okay, and we have our list of persons. We could sort ascending alphabetically, okay, and also we could choose them by clicking here and choosing, for example, if I want 17 from here to insert something, I go there, okay, and here I write, I don't know, Alice. Now I have Alice also. List, it's much easier. I don't have to insert anywhere a list. I go to validity. Here I choose list, and I can list my list here. Thomas, Allison, Einstein, Tom, J, Jane, A. Okay, and I have the list over here. Very easy. Text length. I want here a code. I want a code for our products, and the code have a maximum of 5 numbers. So let's format as number. Okay, and now let's go to data, validity, text length, less than or equal with 5. So if I write 1112222, it's not a valid value because I have 6 numbers. So this now is valid. Custom, let's see, data, validity, and the last one is custom. For example, I can write here it's even, cell B9. So if this number is even, it's okay. If it's true, it's okay. If it's not true, it's not okay. So number 2, it's okay. Number 3 is invalid. Number 4, it's okay. Number 6, number 7 is not okay. So here I could have a formula that is giving true or false values. So this could be very useful because you could validate date. Okay, so people cannot insert wrong values here. Also time, if you know that some time couldn't happen, so this could be restricted. Cell range is very easy. You choose here what range do you want to have. Okay, very easy to change. List is very easy. It's manually inserting. If I can insert very easy here a new name, and I have that name. Text length, it's for that moment when we need to be sure that our value have a certain number of values of numbers. And custom, it's when we want to validate some things in our formula. So that was all about validating numbers. They are very useful when you need it, and you have to be careful what you choose here. The help could be very helpful for the person who will insert values. An error alert, as I said in the previous episode, very important to choose the right option here. Stop inserting or just a warning when we could have exceptions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.